Today's video is cooking rice by traditional method.
Today I use this rice.
The water is like boiling.
Perfect. Karage and miso soup. How's it going, everyone? I'm Keita. Today I gonna make rice. Just rice. But I use this traditional clay pot. It's called土鍋. It's beautiful one. So I'd like to show you how to use this clay pot for cooking rice. If you don't have rice cooker or this clay pot, don't worry. You can use like whatever like this. So you can make rice with this one. But today I use this pot. Okay, let's get started. Today I use this rice, Tsugaru Roman from Aomori Prefecture. So today I'm gonna make 4 cups of rice. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wash and change the water 3 times. After remove the water, put 820 cc of water.
700, 820.
Put on a stove. The water is like this amount. Turn on a stove and high heat.
10 minutes waiting.
5 minutes.
It's 5 minutes waiting.
After 5 minutes boiling, turn to low heat from high heat and 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn off and leave 10 minutes.
Okay, it's after 10 minutes. Let's open what's going inside. Ta-da! Whoa! Surface is good. No water. How about bottom? Perfect. And mix it. Perfect. Yes, it's perfect. Okay, all mix from the bottom. Sometimes bottom is little bit burn, but today no burn. Look at this. This rice is very shiny. After mix all and lid on again, and 5 minutes and steam and more soft inside. After 5 minutes, done. Okay, let's wait 5 minutes. Okay, it's after 5 minutes. Open. Cool. I think it's perfect.
I'll have a taste.
It's perfect. When you cook rice, if the rice is a bit hard, and put the lid, you steam more.
まあいいよその説明。
Like this one. いただきます。Today's lunch is karage and miso soup. It's perfect. And my favorite is this pickled plum with rice. It's perfect combination, very traditional, Japanese style. Rice gives me power. See you in another video. Bye. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. ありがとう。